Although golden milk is recently becoming more well-known in the world, it has been popular in many Asian countries for quite some time. It's considered to be an ancient recipe, and you can see dramatic health benefits from drinking it. Golden milk is also called turmeric milk. It is a yellow liquid that combines milk and turmeric together. Many health benefits have been linked to golden milk, and scientists continue to investigate it. Many of the benefits come from the turmeric in the recipe. Turmeric has been linked to a variety of health benefits, including 1. A possible reduction in the risk of cancers. Antioxidants present in turmeric has tremendous protective capacity against many carcinogenic substances. 2. Better digestion. Turmeric promotes good digestion. When taken regularly, it heals any digestive issues and makes you feel light in your stomach. 3. More energy. Golden milk helps in increasing your metabolism, which in turn makes you feel more energetic and spontaneous. 4. Reduction in inflammation. Anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric are world known. It helps in reducing chronic and acute inflammation in your body, resulting in a reduction in pain and discomfort. 5. Fighting common illnesses. Antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and antibiotic effects of turmeric are scientifically proven. All this helps in fighting common illnesses and make your immune stronger. How to make golden milk? Combine a glass of milk with half a teaspoon of turmeric together in a small pot on the stove. Add a little pinch of black pepper. Mix them together and let the mixture warm up on the stove. Switch off the stove and let it cool down. Drink it warm. How much golden milk should you drink? Most experts recommend drinking at least 1 cup of golden milk a day. The best time to take golden milk is half an hour before going to bed. If you're on medication that can increase the risk of bleeding, such as blood thinners, you may not be able to safely take turmeric without talking to a doctor first. Golden milk has health benefits and can taste great. Consider making it at home the next time you want a healthy beverage. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, press the subscribe button and bell icon. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.